Oil spills in oceans wreak havoc on ecosystems and marine life, posing severe environmental threats. These spills not only lead to ecological disaster but also result in the wasteful loss of a finite and valuable resource. To address this serious problem, there was a need for innovative and sustainable technology, which can swiftly and effectively recover spilled oil, further minimizing environmental damage while harnessing this resource for beneficial purposes. This team of young innovators from DiscoverSTEM researched that human hair has a natural tendency to attract oil. They innovated a fully automated boat with hair-felt rollers, oil collection, and storage systems that collect up to 98% of spilled oil, which further can be reused.
The inventors of this innovation are Zeyd Fahzy, Abdallah Farooqui, Arsalan Jaffery, Abdul Basit Piracha, Maheen Rafique, Salaah Asif Syed, and Umar Ahmad Syed.